Hi Sudha.
Hey Sudha.
Hi Sudha.
Hi Sudha.
Hi Sudha.
Dear Sudha,
Hi Sudha, my dear friend.
Hello, Sudha.
Hi Sudha.
Dearest Sudha. Hi Sudha.
Sudha Chechi.
हेलो सुधा मैम।
प्रिय सुधा कैसी है?
Hi Auntie.
Ayo, Sudha ma'am, retirement
I heard you're retiring.
Open your mouth. This is for you. Hi Sudha, congratulations. I still remember the day you joined day shift at Bombay Airport and how we became friends from day one. I loved working with a simple and smart girl and I have so many good memories of our good old days. God bless you with good health to enjoy the retirement years with your beautiful family. Love you, Charlotte.
Hey Sudha, Crystal Ann here. Wishing you a very happy retired life and all the very best. I remember our good old days in Air India and having last met you and your family on the Bombay-Pune highway. Love for myself and my family all the way from Vancouver. God bless.
Hello, Sudha. I heard you're retiring. That's a surprise to me. I thought you had years left to go. I wish you good luck, good health, happiness in life. It feels like yesterday that you joined Bombay Airport. I still remember that time like yesterday. We became friends. And then Masti told me one day, you have an affinity for Mallus. Before you there was Anita Kurup and then Usha for years and then you came along. And now you're retiring. You're leaving Bombay unfortunately, otherwise we could have met, had some good times together. But that is life. All the best to you. Enjoy whatever it is you do. Keep in touch. Do keep in touch. All the best. Bye bye.
Hi Sudha. It's been 3 decades now, and since we've known each other, and the time has come for you to hang up your boots. Ideally, you and I would have been doing that together, and most probably we would have been moving into our new apartment, our dream home in Nanderi. But fate seems to be having probably something better for us. So I wish you all the very best and all the best to you and your family. And may you have a fantastic retired life. And we shall keep in touch. And we hope and pray that all your dreams come true and our dream house become the reality soon. So take care, have fun, all the best, bye.
Hi Sudha, I can't imagine you'll be retiring this month then. We'll miss you so much. You have been so helpful throughout. I wish you all the very best in your new house. I hope you are very happy, safe. You have lots of happy memories in that new house. I've troubled you so much all the time. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hi Sudha, my dear friend. I missed you all these 4 years after my retirement. But nevertheless, the company that I had with you in working, the pleasure that I had with you to talk to you, although you are retiring at a very early age, I believe, but nevertheless, you look young and energetic. I wish you all the best, safe, sound, and pure enjoy your life. This is your second inning. Thank you, Sudha.
Sudha, all the best and happy retirement.
Hi Sudha. Oh, I know you are in love with my white specs. But don't worry. You can see me in these white specs whenever you want through this video. On your retirement, wishing you good health happiness, and more time with your family. We all in the office will miss you. Thank you for being a wonderful colleague. Bye bye.
Sudha, all the very best for your second innings. I'm sure you'll be extremely happy and free. All the best and have a great time.
Hi Sudha, how are you? I guess you know me. I was just joking here. For a family member, let me introduce myself. I'm R. Venkatraman, Station Manager Surat. Sudha, I worked with you for 2 years. You're such a caring lady. You used to bring lunch for everyone and you used to ask me for lunch. You used to tell me I brought idlis, would you like to have? And you're such a caring person. Whenever I used to get coffee, you used to tell me to have warm water, go for a walk at least for 1 hour every evening or in the morning whenever I get time. And you're a ginger lemon lady for me. I can never forget that ginger, the dry ginger lemon squeeze which you gave me. It was very soothing for the throat. Whenever I used to get cough, you used to have me, used to tell me to have that. I got a habit of having it here. I'm buying it from the shop in a different brand name. I think after retirement you can start that business of manufacturing dry ginger with lemon. It will be a big hit. It will be a really very big hit. I'm telling you. And I also thought about the brand name. It will be Sudha dry ginger. I'm telling you, it will become a big hit. You're too good. You're an excellent cook. You're very caring nature. Sayonara. Have a nice retired life. Give my blessings to all your children, both your sons. They are definitely doing well. They will continue to do well, and you will always remain in my heart. Thank you. See you. Bye.
Hi Sudha. I hope you remember me. This is Gayatri from Chennai, now in Myanmar, and I can't fathom that so many years have gone by, and I still remember the day you brought your little boy to office on Diwali day when you were rostered by PSR, remember? And now he's become so big to do all this for you. Wow, so nice. And stay blessed, stay healthy. Wish you a very happy and healthy retired life, and please do keep in touch. Love you. Bye.
Greetings to all of you. It has been a matter of pleasant surprise to me that I've been approached to speak a few words on the occasion of retirement of our Sudha from Air India this month end. Sudha joined in Madras way back about 3 decades back, and she worked in cargo sales in Madras, and I was working in flight handling section. So we had an interaction regarding this transshipment cargo and other things. But what makes her tenure in Madras was very short in comparison to her long innings in Air India. Must be a little bit more than 3 decades. But she was a very pleasant working lady, and what makes her very unique is the fact that although she doesn't speak a single word or speaks very little, the whole cargo sales department understands her. This is similar to the remark which Albert Einstein made regarding Charlie Chaplin. So in one of the train journeys, Albert Einstein remarked to Chaplin, stating that the whole world understands you, although you don't speak a single word. Not to be left behind, Chaplin immediately shot back, telling that the whole world admires him, although nobody understands him. But everybody understood Sudha, and what makes her again unique is the fact that she was very dedicated and organized in things, and she had to be transferred, on a voluntary transfer. She has to be relocated to Bombay because her husband was with Navy in service in Bombay. I think in 1991 she was back in Bombay. There were so many people who have been sent from Madras to Bombay. All of them have their unique attractions in Bombay. And Sudha is no different, and she comes from the God's own country, which is Kerala, Kayangulam, I think. And Ramesh is also a very pleasant man, and I have visited their house in Kolaba. My parents have also visited in 91 after a marriage function in Bombay. And my mother was very fond of Ramesh Babu. She used to tell his son-in-law should be like this. He came up to the bus stand and wished him very well, and Tata, Tata, she told along with the child. And I remember her child also, way back in 1991, she brought the child to the office one day. And I took the child. In those days, we never had the CASF and other security, only local police was there. So I took the child into the helicopter to the park there, and all these memories now creep up. In the moment, somebody told me that she was to retire this month. So it was a good thing. I wish Sudha a very pleasant, safe, joyful second innings, and God bless her with all the happiness in life. Thank you.
Hi Auntie, I'm Saurabh, son of Sameer and Manjusha. Auntie, I just wanted to share that in 2002, the first time I ever took a flight, that was from Bombay to Dubai, and I was coming here for college, and I still remember 1A seat number just behind the cockpit. And not only that, you came all the way till the boarding gate. You spoke to the cabin crew that on the flight, which was my first flight, they took care of me with all the chocolates, goodies. They took me to they spoke to the pilot and took me to the cockpit and showed me the cockpit. And it was just, the first experience of the flight was just so much amazing. And I don't know, knowingly or unknowingly, it influenced me so much that after I graduated, I ended up in Emirates Airlines, and I was always striving to get onto that level that I will always get business class travel. And with God's grace and with your help and influence, it really helped me that now I'm at that level in the company that I get business class travels. So thanks a lot, Auntie, and best of luck for your second half of your journey, and have a happy retired life. Thank you.
Dear Sudha, I was requested by Ramesh Babu to make a message to you on the day you are retiring from Air India. I am extremely happy to do that. You have been a stable platform for him to do whatever he felt like. And your job in Air India certainly helped matters very well. He could do whatever he felt like. Anyway, I cannot forget the day in 1988-89 when my sister and family had come from Trivandrum to Mumbai to go to Kuwait. As my brother-in-law was in the travel business, he had complimentary tickets by Air India to go. But the problem with such tickets is that you would be checked in only if there are empty seats after all the bona fide passengers have checked in. In this particular case, they had gone to the airport once and had come back without complaining. I had mentioned this to Ramesh and probably he would have told you, and you volunteered to come and help us. You came with us to the airport, checked in yourself, logged in, ensured that my sister and family were allotted seats, and they departed very happily, thanking you forever. I feel that this helping people naturally come to you. I am sure Ramesh Babu would have let you do such things in the interest of humanity. I wish you all the best on your retirement and God bless.
प्रिय सुधा, कैसी है? अब सुना तुम रिटायर हो रही हो, तो उसके लिए भी बहुत बधाई, क्योंकि तुमने अपनी जिम्मेदारी सरकारी हो, घर परिवार की हो, बच्चे पति सबकी जिम्मेदारी तुमने बहुत अच्छी तरह निभाई। तो अब तुम्हारे पास काफ़ी समय होगा अपने शौक़ पूरा करने के लिए, अपनी ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए। तो वो सुनकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। और हम सब के और तुमने बच्चों को इतने अच्छे ध्यान दिया, संस्कार दिया, वो सुनकर हमें गर्व होता है कि आज दोनों बच्चे कितने अच्छी पढ़ाई किए, नौकरी कर रहे हैं। तो और बाबू ने भी कहा कि गांव आइए, तो हमने कहा गुरुजी को आम का और कटहल का पेड़ चाहिए, तो उसने कहा सब है। और तो बहुत खुशी हुई। और वो गुरुजी को इतना याद करता है कि आपके घर में कमरे के पास रात रानी का था पौधा, वो भी लगाएंगे। तो तुम सब इतने दिल में हमारे हो और तुम लोग भी हमें अपने दिल में रखते हो। तो बच्चों से हमें यही चाहिए। इतनी खुशी होती है गुरु को और हम सबको कि तुम लोगों ने अभी तक हमारा ख्याल रखा। और तुम्हारे साथ शिवाजी में बिताए हुए सब सुनहरे पल याद आते हैं, जब तुम्हारा स्वागत, तुम्हारा सहायता करना, मनी के लिए जो तुमने हेल्प किया। तो तुम्हारे दक्षिण भारतीय पकवान तो अभी भी मुंह में पानी आ जाता है। और तुम्हारी माँ ने जो बड़े बनाए थे वो तो इतना अच्छा था कि कभी नहीं भूलते। तो बहुत सारी यादें हैं, लेकिन अभी हम गागर में सागर भर रहे हैं, कम बता रहे हैं तुम सब के बारे में। तो अभी यही है शुभकामना, प्यार, आशीर्वाद तुम सब के लिए, बहुत प्यार। और मिलेंगे जल्द सुधा।
हाँ सुधा, तुमने देख लिया ना मेरे घर में कौन ज़्यादा बोलता है। मुझे तो मौका ही नहीं दे रही है। चलो इस मौके पे हमारी तरफ से, दोनों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत ब्लेसिंग। तुमने जो मेरे बेटे सिद्धार्थ की सहायता की थी वो मैं भूल नहीं पाऊँगा, क्योंकि उस समय 2 के प्रॉब्लम चल रही थी और तुमने 1 दिन के नोटिस पे उसका टिकट बुक किया था। और नॉट ओनली दैट, तुमने अपने कोलीग्स को कहा था कि ये पहली बार बच्चा जा रहा है, इसका ख्याल रखना। और वो कोलीग्स ने उसको पता भी नहीं चलने दिया, इतना ख्याल करके ले गए कि आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल। और अभी जो है वो तुम्हारा समय आ रहा है, तुमने बहुत अपने कर्तव्य का पालन किया। अब ये समय है कि जो है तुम अपनी अपनी हॉबीज़ को, अपनी जो है जो भी दिल में है शौक़ करने का वो पूरा करो। और उसके साथ ही साथ जिस तरह का तुमने जो है व्यवहार किया है सबके साथ, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई सुधा। और इतना अच्छा स्वभाव, इतना अच्छा नेचर कि हम लोग तुम्हें हमेशा हमेशा याद करेंगे। हम लोगों के दोनों के दिल में तुम्हारे लिए सदा सदा जगह रहेगी। और फिर जब भी अवसर मिले प्लीज़ हमारे यहाँ आते रहना। तुम्हारी बहुत यादें हमारी हैं, सुनहरी यादें, मीठी यादें, और हम तुमको हमेशा याद करते रहेंगे। तुमको और बाबू को कभी भी भूलेंगे नहीं। सो प्लीज़ हैव ए वेरी वेरी नाइस रिटायरमेंट लाइफ। गॉड ब्लेस यू बोथ।
Ayo, Sudha, retirement, I had to think that, you've completed your tenure at Air India. It just looks like as if it's been the other day when we were approaching you to get our tickets confirmed. And you've been a great help to most of the naval officers when at one point in time all of us used to fly only Air India. So all the best for the new role ahead in Kerala, where you would be giving Ramesh Babu sir active company in his in his farming activities, fish culture, water harvesting, what all multiple things that he's planned in the big estate that you have in Kerala. So all the best for the new life. And thank you very much for all that you've done.
Sudha Chechi, you being in Mumbai made our air travel so easy even at difficult times. So many times you have gone out of the way to arrange tickets for us, paid by your own card, to ensure that we could spend our vacation at home. Wish you a very happy, healthy, and fulfilling retired life.
Retired life, Sudha Madam, can never forget the way you helped us when Nihar Panana, our son, was stuck in Frankfurt airport. Happy retired life.
Hello, I am Ursula Menon. I am a US citizen living in Chicago. See, in those world pandemic times, I was stuck in Mumbai. I was thinking of getting out of Mumbai to Chicago. I talked to my family and friends. One of our near and dear friend of ours told me to call Mrs. Sudha. I called Sudha. Even though it was the first time, she was extremely gracious and generous to me. She instructed me step by step how to go through the computer and get a seat in the evacuation flight of Air India. I had to talk to her a few more times, and each time she was extremely gracious and generous with her time. Very calming and soothing experience in those turbulent times. I got the reservation and managed to get the flight in time and reached Chicago without any untoward happenings. I still wonder how long I would have been stuck in Mumbai but for Mrs. Sudha. She was so helpful to me. I am indebted to her. Thank you. I wish her a very happy retired life. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Commander Binu Tom Jacob, retired. I live in Delhi with my family. On this occasion, when Sudha Madam, Mrs. Ramesh Babu, Sudha Chechi, I used to call fondly. Chechi in Malayalam means elder sister. And I know Sudha Chechi for about 20 years since the time I know Ramesh Babu sir. So on this occasion of her retirement from Air India, I thought it apt to remember and recall one of the incidents where she helped my brother while working in Air India. And in fact, Biju Sam Jacob, my brother, in 1997, he was working in Saudi Arabia with a travel company. He had come on vacation and was to go back on a particular date, and they get these discounted tickets, which is, you can use it only if there is a spare seat available after what is sold. So for 1 or 2 days, he was hunting around and couldn't get a seat, and it landed up on the last date when he had to go back or he will lose his job. So I called up Sudha Chechi and told her, Sudha Chechi, need your help for this. So it is sometime later in the night. These kind of flights take off pretty late in the night. She ran around and managed a seat, and Biju got back in time and kept his job well. I'm sure Sudha Chechi during your career must have helped hundreds of people known to her and unknown to her.
Hello Sudha ma'am, I am Colonel Girish Kumar, serving in a military station somewhere in Assam. I just learned through Captain Ramesh Babu that you are retiring from Air India after a long and illustrious career on 30th of June. I wish you a very happy retired life. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you once again for helping me out with the issue with the e-commerce division of the Air India a few months back. I do not know if you would be recalling the issue. Ma'am, I had been expecting a refund of rupees to the tune of some 8,368 rupees against my booking on an Air India flight from Delhi to Guwahati via Kolkata which had got cancelled. The flight was scheduled on 14th of July 2020. See, even after a lapse of about 9 months and the exchange of several emails, the refund was not forthcoming. They even contested that the refund had been effected sometime in December 2020. Not knowing the way forward, I had communicated the issue to you through Captain Ramesh Babu on 9th of March 2021, and the entire amount was credited to me on 12th March. I remain grateful to you, man, for helping me out, and I learned that I am only one among the hundreds of passengers for whom you had gone the extra mile to help out. May I take this opportunity to wish you a great retired life and also your entire family great times ahead. All the best, man.
Hi Sudha, wish you a happy retirement and all the best to you and your family. Thank you very much for your help to me whenever I required. Take care. I know you're going to a lovely place, Kottayam. Enjoy your retirement. Take care of your health. Bye.
Hello Sudha. Ramesh tells me that you are retiring in a day, and my only claim to know you is through him for a few moments in Delhi. Well, I ran into trouble with Air India last year to get a refund for my ticket from London back to Bangalore. When I casually mentioned this to Ramesh, he just told me, "You don't worry, just give me the details, Sudha will do it." That's the time that I came to know what your ability to get things moving is and how much you have helped a large number of people. You touched me. You're an angel as far as not only me, but many others whom we have helped out, Sudha. As you retire from your service, my family and I wish you the very best. Happy landings, happy sailing, and safe living. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Sudha ma'am is a great lady. Thank you to her that I was able to make it back to US in time for my internship. I would have really either lost the internship or gone through a very hard route. So she's a great lady.
Hi Auntie, I don't think I've met you in person before, but I've heard a lot about you from Ashwin. My name is Sneha, and I feel like I've asked your advice about flights from him a number of times. The one main time I remember was when I was trying to transport my dog Toto to Shanghai, and you were able to give us all the information about how to do it through Air India, which was so helpful. It really helped us make a decision about how to travel with him, and it was such a nerve-wracking process anyway. It was really nice to get that information. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a super happy retirement day and retired life ahead, and I hope we can meet in person someday. Bye.
Hello Auntie, congratulations on your retirement. Thank you for all the help that you provided me, might be in terms of ticketing or just being very warm to me whenever I've come to stay at your place. During the engineering days or even after engineering days. I still remember the help you provided Anurup and me during our entrepreneurship days and giving a feedback on the product. So yeah, thank you for all the help, and I wish you all the best for the next phase of your life.
Hello, Auntie. Hi. This is Divya here, Ashwin and Ramesh Babu uncle's friend. I just wanted to drop you a quick message to congratulate you on your retirement, and I hope you're looking forward to really relaxing and enjoying time in your new house in Kerala. See you soon. Bye.
Hello, Auntie. Congratulations on your retirement and for a fruitful career that you've had. Thank you so much for helping all of Ashwin's friends, including myself, whenever we've had any trouble, be it booking tickets, rescheduling tickets, or cancelling them, especially during a stressful COVID time right now. We had so many questions, but glad we both, Ashwin and I, made it here safely. Congratulations once again.
Hi Auntie, congratulations on your retirement.
On this occasion, I'd really like to thank you for all the help that you've given me. Every time I had to fly abroad, you're always so patient and approachable with hundreds of queries I've always had. So thank you so much for always being there to help us out. Best wishes on your next adventure, and congratulations once again.
Hello, Auntie. Hope you and Uncle are doing fine in these tough times. I just wanted to wish you a very happy retirement and hope the next chapter in your life is as memorable and successful as the previous ones. I haven't had the opportunity to meet you many times, but even in the few encounters I've had with you, both you and Uncle had always been so kind, warm, and welcoming, so unlike Ashwin. And thank you so much for that.
Basu? Hi Sudha, don't know what to say now, but I'm going to really miss my neighbor. And
Sakhi neighbor.
The Sakhi neighbor. And I'll miss you so much. Love you. Keep in touch and be healthy and happy. Bye.
Next is Sandhya.
All the best. Enjoy your retired life and wish you a very healthy life. Bye.
Yes.
Hi
Clara.
Sudha, it was nice knowing you. Hope you have a very happy, healthy and peaceful second innings and enjoy your gardening and all your wishes come true. All the best Sudha. Do keep in touch. Bye-bye. Take care.
Dearest Sudha, happy retirement. Dearest Sudha, wish you all the best on your retirement. I've really got to know you well and close after I moved into marketing, and I've really enjoyed the last few months with all of you. Lots of love and have a good innings.
Hi Sudha, wish you a very happy second inning and all the best to you. We'll miss you and we'll come to meet you in Kerala.
Hi Sudha, wish you a very happy retired life and we'll definitely miss you Sudha Ma. अपना गड़बड़ बाकी है. Bye.
गड़बड़.
Hi Sudha.
She wanted to have a
very happy retired life. And we'll definitely coming to your Kerala place and we'll have a very nice time. And we'll definitely miss you.
Hi Sudhamma, wish you happy retirement life and enjoy your second inning.
Hi Sudha, finally the day has come. Everyone here is going to miss your idli and chutney Sudha. I have your recipe and every time I make it I am going to think of you so much. Going to miss you so much Sudha. All the best to you.
Hi Sudha, never got a chance to work with you closely. I wish I could. You're such a knowledgeable and fantastic person and I'm going to miss you definitely for any fairs related queries. I wish you all the best for your second innings and cherish all your dreams. Thank you.
Hi Sudha, it was nice knowing you in cargo and then again in passenger sales. I'm really going to miss you. You have a lovely time. Wish you all the very best. And yes, definitely going to come to Kerala. That is one of my favorite places. Bye.
Hi Sudha.
Dearest Sudha.
Hi Sudha.
Wishing you a life full of success and happiness. May you have a relaxing new chapter ahead. May your new journey be filled with joy and contentment. We will miss you in the office, Sudha.
We will miss you all the good luck.
And we'll all see you in Kerala.
Yes.
That
we will say. Everybody will say.
That individually. Excellent. And Sudha, this is a trial.
Yes, that's a trial.
Now you can delete it back again.
Oh, that's for Sudha.
Sudha, this Pani Puri is especially for you. Those for you. Okay, continue.
आणि खा तू जा तिकडे.
Okay, yeah. Sudha, screen share with your mouth. This is for you.
Okay.
Was that okay or should we?
Hello Sudha ma'am. We all are going to miss you. You are the most helpful and caring person. All the best for your second innings. Enjoy. Bye.
Hi Sudha. Congratulations on your new phase. Enjoy your retirement. The fun begins now. All the best. I will never forget your idli and chutney that you get, especially the onion chutney. I used to love it a lot. All the best. Have fun.
Show Sudha's chair with a name on it.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming to you, yeah. And here's Shalaka. Hi.
Will miss you definitely for the domestic ABLs. Wish you a cut.
Okay, I will be back to Shalaka. We'll come back to Shalaka after some time. No, it's okay in between also, whatever.
Wish you a very happy, healthy and peaceful retired life. I'll miss your idli and tamarind chutney too. Miss you. Bye. Love you.
That's Shalaka.
Hi Sudha. We'll miss you definitely. I found you a very nice person to work with, and very short period we were, but it was enjoyable moment, and wish you all the very best. Thank you so much. Love you.
Mine will be a little longish.
That's okay.
So all of you please bear with me. Sudha, nothing official about it. All of us are in uniform waiting here to say bye to you. We go back a long way, Sudha. I mean, when I remember we used to wait at the Ghatkopar transport 5 o'clock. I remember Ramesh was in Pune and I used to take the transport, and then of course we were in Cargo Tracer together. You have always been my go-to person. I mean, always you have had my back. I'm ever so thankful and grateful to have you as my friend, my confidant and my senior in the office. Will really miss you. And like I said before, you're too young to retire. Take care.
Nice.
Hi Sudha. John, can you just zoom in here please? This is the Sudha Ramesh chair, which is the famous chair here. Sudha was a little possessive about this chair. So she's, So Sudha, this is going to be your farewell gift. Like I said, 30th June, 5:05, park the car outside. I shall move this chair right now. So in your nice Kerala home, you can sit on your new big computer with this chair, and of course you'll miss doing work for us. So we'll be sending you the ABS. So enjoy your. Okay, there were some more marks here, which have been wiped out.
You can make out. You can make out.
But we can make out that Sudha has left her imprint on you. You will never be forgotten. So Sudha, on the more serious tone, I will miss you. Like I've always said, you've been my right hand here. You've always been rock solid for me. Always supported. Always been there. And we will miss you. But I know you're going to enjoy your retired life in your lovely Kerala home, your vegetable garden. So Maybe to put this chair in the garden if you like. But miss us also sometimes. And if you do miss work, we will definitely send you some. So enjoy this time. You've earned it. You worked really hard all these years. So enjoy your time with your family there. And of course visiting your boys wherever they are, UK, USA. And like I always said, I'm sure they'll buy you that business class ticket. You'll be going fare paying. You will not be waiting for some load. So when you're in that aircraft on the business class seat, just hold up that glass of juice and remember me. Bye, enjoy.
हेलो हो गया मैं ही बचा यार ये सब ने बोल दिया यार तेरे लिए यार मेरे लिए कुछ बचा ही नहीं रे
गाना गा ले फिर एक गाना गा
गाना तेरे लिए तो मैं गाते रहूंगा
2 लाइन
अभी कौन सा गाना
कुछ भी जो बंदे दिल से आए
अभी न जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं एक्चुअली दिल नहीं भरा है लेकिन अभी क्या करें कि कभी ना कभी किसी न किसी को तो रिटायर होना ही है लेकिन अभी तुम्हारा सेकंड जो इनिंग है उसके लिए ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट केरला में तेरे को हम लोग सुखी रहने नहीं देंगे हम में से कोई ना कोई तो एक महीने हर महीने में जाने वाला है बी रेडी फॉर दैट थैंक यू सो मच लवली पर्सन बहुत मज़ा आया उसके साथ हम लोग ने काम करके बैकेज सर्विसेज फर्स्ट हम लोग का ये बाद में अभी सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग तेरे वजह से सब जगह पे रोशनी चाहिए थी अभी रोशनी कम होने का चांस है वी गोइंग टू डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू मिस यू सुधा ऐसा दिल ऐसा भर के आ रहा है बट थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीथिंग
नहीं don't cry
सबके सामने नहीं रहूंगा बाद में रहूंगा बाय सी यू
Okay. Yeah, done.
and that's it for the sales and marketing.
All the best, Sudha. All the best. We don't have pani puri today to give you.
You want to say something?
Yeah. That's okay.
Come with us.
I knew her very little short time, but I liked her laugh most of all. I enjoyed listening to her and.
We'll miss you, Sudha.
All the very best. All the very best to you.
And send us some vegetables and bananas.
एड्रेस बराबर एड्रेस ना छोटा एड्रेस मत देना करेक्ट एड्रेस प्लीज केरला का
Yes, correct.
एक्चुअली क्या मालूम है केरला को बोलते हैं नहीं केरला को बोलते हैं ना हेवन यस एक्चुअली अभी हेवन बोलेगा
That's right.
Sudha's own country.
Now it will be hers. Yes.
मेरे ये गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा ना कहना कभी अलविदा ना कहना
Good show.
सबसे लास्ट में रखना
A happy retirement. I'm sure you had a great career and stint at Air India, and all your friends and co-workers are going to miss you a lot. I'm also going to miss seeing you going in for work every morning. But I still remember how much I used to miss how sad I used to be when you used to go for work when I was younger, and how much I would look forward to you coming back home to Lonavala or after night duty when I was younger. Now I'm looking forward to you and Achin going back to Kerala and spending some good vacations there, and really looking forward to spending some time in the house there. Again, all the best for this second innings, and I'm very thankful for all of the sacrifices you've given to make sure that you work well for Air India, and also take care of all of us as well. Bye.
Hi Ma, happy retirement. I was a 3-month-old baby when you first joined Air India. So basically your tenure in Air India is as old as I am right now. So those are very long years that you've spent in Air India. I still remember those days when me and Achu used to eagerly wait for you to get back home. Some days you'd get back home with these treats from A1 Bakery and we'd absolutely love it. But I think mine and Achu's favorite part about you being in Air India is all the international travel that we got to do, all thanks to you. We've seen things that very few children our age had seen at that point, and I consider myself lucky to have had that experience. Also, despite all of your busy, hectic schedule, you still took great care of me and Achu. You'd still ensure that we had hot meals when we got back home. You'd sometimes feed us with your own hand. For me personally, you continued that tradition of feeding me with your own hand up until my late 20s. When I used to come back home all drenched in sweat after traveling the local train. When I got back home, you'd ensure that I'm eating well, and for that what you did was you fed me with your own hand. I've come to realize that very few children have that kind of privilege, so thank you for that, and I'm really lucky to have had a mother like you. I wish you a very happy retired life again. I hope you and Achan have a great time in our new home in Kerala.
Stop my pension any day, yet in my heart I'll stay forever young. Young at 65, no, that's old and half alive. The bones do sometimes creak, and my mind is often bleak, but in my heart I'll stay forever young. Time seems to fly so fast, I guess it always will, but in my heart I'll stay. Yes, in my heart I'll stay forever young. Thank you all my friends for good wishes that you send.